Oh, Ramsey wants some attention. She's like, Ramsey, get out of here. Get out of here, boy. I'm in my spa. Spa time for me and Mama.
You can't go there, that's it.
He's like, it's a special place, though.
Put it over there.
It's a special place.
I don't think he should be on this side of the bed, no matter what.
You want me to kick him off?
Put him back on that side.
Ramsey, get over there, boy. Get over there.
Push him like that.
Oh.
He's already sad.
Oh. What do you mean he's sad?
Well, because he doesn't get so much attention anymore.
Oh,
he wants to get pet sometimes and,
You know
just sad.
Oh.
Sad. Oh, look at this poor blue chicken.
But little blue chicken likes it when I kick him in the face.
Well, she just likes the song.
Kick him in the face. Kick him in the face. Kick him, kick him, kick him, kick him in the face. Kick him in the face. Kick him in the face. Kick him, kick him in the face. Daddy, kick Ramsey in the face again. Woo! Kick him in the face. Kick him in the face. Daddy, kick Ramsey in the face. Let me show you how. Kick him in the face. Kick those legs. Kick him in the face.
Okay, mister. Can you get the towel?
Maybe I'm doing some video.